everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, we got a grilled cheese collab with a lot of YouTubers going on. You know what? I'm going to join that collab, and we're going to do something with lobster and a whole bunch of delicious stuff to make the best grilled cheese you're ever going to want to eat. So let's look at our ingredients, people. We got tomatoes, we got garlic, we got lemon, we got some butter, we got some fresh thyme, sourdough bread, smoked Gruyere cheese, and smoked Gouda cheese. And the star of our show is Harvey here. He's a new spokesman for Cooking with Corey, and he's going to be in our grilled cheese. So I'd like to welcome and thank you all for coming back to Cooking with Corey. Let's get this grilled cheese going. Alright guys, so the magic of time. I quartered 4 grape tomatoes, tablespoon of butter, half of a clove of garlic. We're going to throw in a fat old stem of fresh thyme. I'm going to give that a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to take this to the stove. We're going to get this going. And when it gets going, we're going to heat up our already cooked lobster in there. That'll be our filling for our grilled cheese. While you guys are done, use my microplane and did the smoked Gouda and the smoked Gruyere. We'll be back. Alright guys, we got it going here. Got our thyme in there. I added the lobster. After the garlic started to get a little translucent, what we're doing is blistering up those tomatoes. Get a little thyme flavor in here to go with our lobster. And that'll be our filling. Obviously, we're going to pull the thyme out. The rest of that'll be in there. We'll be back. All right, everybody. Broke out old Trusty here to finish this off. Here's our mixture. I took out the thyme. Gonna give it just a little squeeze of lemon. Give it just a little bit of stir. Alright, got this pan medium low. Old Trusty, he's got a big bottom on him. He has been used, he's been good to me. So we're going to use a sourdough bread. We have 1 slice. We have 2 slices. They go in there. Smoked Gruyere. Smoked Gruyere is going to go on one side, and the smoked Gouda will go on the other. Getting a little healthy on that there. There we go. Alright, make sure it's all spread across your bread nice and evenly. There we go. Now, we're just kind of sit around and wait for some cheese to melt. But before we do that, let's just get our filling on here. There's our butter and thyme poached salmon with tomatoes, grape tomatoes. A piece of lobster fall off. You definitely don't want that. So get it spread all over there. Alright guys, I'll bring you back over real close. Alright everybody, here's our finished product. Looks delicious. I'm going to taste this bad boy for you. Good flavors throughout. Lobster tastes wonderful. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. See you next week.